Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, in this video we are going to cover a concept called collection within assets. What is collection? I mean, in a layman language also, collection is like we have some set of a few things, right? That is collection. In an asset world, I mean in DAM, it is like collection of assets. So why do we need it? Because for example, if I want to keep some assets which are of same type, I will just keep them in files. Maybe somewhere I'll create a folder. I will keep all the related items at one place. That is my collection in a way. But here what we are doing is we have assets on different locations, and I'm going to just select randomly any asset, and then I will put it in one of the collection. I will make one of my collection called sports, and then the images assets are coming from different location. Now in AEM we have two type of collection. One is a static collection, in which I will put the images assets, like I'll choose and then I will put it in collection. Second one is dynamic collection. I mean, as soon as you will have more assets of that type, it will be added to your collection. Now, one thing to understand why we need this collection, because maybe within your organization you have different users, authors, you want to share these collections with them, and they can do something with that collection. So shareable content, and then it is easy to manage because each collection will have tagging enabled. We can tag the collection. So let's see how does it work. So I'll just go inside asset and collection, and then I can create a new collection. So similar way, I mean, we can provide thumbnail, etc. So this is my test collection demo. Okay, and description, etc. Is it public, or we want to give it for any user, right? That options are there. Let's create it, and the collection is created. Right now it's empty because we have not added any asset to it. Okay, now let's go to files, assets, and maybe I'll go to weekend site English, and this is my site. Okay, and I want to add this to that collection. So what I'll do, I just select it, and here we have that option. And if we don't see it, always click on this one and to collection, and then it will ask which collection. So I just created this test collection demo, just add it. Okay, maybe I can select few more, this one also, this one also, to collection. Okay, now let's see what I'll do. I'll just go back to my collection, assets, collections, and this is my collection. And you see we have added 3 images, so we can see them. Now if we go back, and if I see the properties of this collection, this is my static collection. I have added 3 assets to it, and I can see those 3 assets here. I can download it, I can share this link. First, see the properties of this collection. So we have basic and advanced. We can change the metadata, test, description. It's nothing. Yeah, tags also we can attach to it, to a particular collection. And in advanced tab we have few more things. We don't need them much. What I want to show is, if I really go to this path in CRXDE, because we are developers, so we are interested in what is happening in background, correct? So, and then what is the path of this collection? Let's cancel it, and this is the path, right? Content dam, collection, and test collection demo. So I'll go to this path in CRXT because I'm interested to see what is happened in background. So it's inside public collection. Maybe I'll just quick way would be, I'll just select it, and I'll just select this whole thing, collection S. It is easy. So this is my test collection which is created. The node is created, and all the metadata is here. The selling resource type is collection, and if we further expand it, all the images which are, so basically the sling resource type would be the actual image. This is how the referencing is done. Okay, and here also the whole sling resource. Anyways, now this is how we do the static collection. Now also we can share this collection. I will just show how do we share the link. So I'll just click on share link. We can put the email address. This will be the link, subject line, etc. This can be internal or external users. Okay, if you are trying on your local system, first you should have the mail service enabled, then only it will work, otherwise it won't. So this is how we create the static collection. Okay, now let's see the dynamic collection. What is dynamic collection then? So again I will go back and I will go inside assets, and these are my files, and this time what I'm doing is I'm searching for maybe I have so many images, right? So I'm searching for logo. I hit it and I am getting lots of assets, right? I want to create collection of such search result. Now for example, right now there are total 1 2 3 4 5 images. Tomorrow there will be 6 or more, right? What I want is whenever there are new images coming with the same name, logo, I mean it contains logo, it will be added to my smart collection. Okay, so I searched it, I have not selected any particular assets, and I'm just clicking on this save smart collection. It's what is the name of your collection? So I'll say test smart collection demo. Okay, and you want to make it public or not, and just click on save. Okay, it's being created right now. It's taking all the items with this logo as a keyword. Okay, it's created. Now let's go back and we'll see what happens. So I'm just going back and I'll go to assets, collection, and I created this collection, test smart collection demo, and let's see how many images we have here. We have total 1 2 3 4 5. Let's make it a list. We have 1 2 3 4 5, total 5 images. Let's duplicate it so that we can come back and see. Total 5 images we have. Now what I'm going to do, I'll just upload a new image and then see how many images will come automatically. So I'll just go to assets, files, and maybe I'll create a new image which should contain logo, because that is how I created the collection, right? So I'll say logo sample. Yeah, and I'll just drag it and drop it. I just uploaded a new logo sample, right? Let's go back to collection. So here I had total 1 2 3 4 5. I'll just refresh it. Now the sixth one is also added, logo sample.txt. So this is how we can create a dynamic collection. Okay, so one is static collection, fixed amount of assets. Dynamic collection is whatever we searched with that keyword. If there are new images, new assets coming in, will be added to your collection automatically. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you will enjoy it.